morning, friends and family. Cecilia here, talking about what is the essential of an online English teacher. First of all, you will need an Ethernet cable, a headset with a good microphone that picks up your voice, and also a little decoration for your wall. And of course, your laptop computer or your desktop, and then you're ready to go. I personally prefer the laptop so then I can travel with my students and my classes. So that's it. That's basically everything you need. And I would suggest a backup. And if you like, you can use a mouse. For Qkids, you actually need to drag and use highlights. And sometimes we need to click and drag so that we can underline what we're saying. But if you're using a laptop, say a MacBook, you can use 2 fingers. Some of you probably need to figure this out. And you tap on the screen with 2 fingers, and that's the same thing as dragging. So yeah, for the longest time, I thought we actually needed the mouse, but you can actually just drag 2 fingers across and you can still underline. However, I still like to keep a mouse close to me so that I can tell students, let's click on Momo Monkey, let's click on cooking, or you can tap on the screen. Some of them use iPads, so nowadays they don't use the mouse, so make sure you say click or tap. Here's a little tip from me, Teacher Cecilia. Please subscribe the channel, turn on notification, like the video, and share. Until next time, see you later.